Hi there. Today is day 3. I'm starting to renovate my old dollhouse and give it a fresh new style. For this project, I'm using mostly simple, affordable materials I got from Amazon, Walmart, and AliExpress. Most of the work so far has been done using popsicle sticks and this type of decorative paper I used as wallpaper. The story of this dollhouse is very close to my heart because I used to play with it when I was just a little girl. It was a gift from my dad. Sadly, he's no longer with us, but I want the memories of him to live on, just like this dollhouse can live on and continue to bring joy. That's why I made the decision to give it a new life and decorate it in a more modern style, at least how I see it. At this point, I've only finished 2 rooms, the living room and the bathroom. There are more rooms in the house, but I'm taking it one step at a time. To create a rich, dark wood tone for the living room floor, I actually used soy sauce. I just brushed several layers onto the sticks, and it gave the wood such a deep, warm color. Also, you'll notice I'm using acrylic paint to color the tiles I created from wooden sticks. I can't say it's the most convenient paint to work with, and I'll probably try something else next time, maybe an oil-based paint. But for now, this is what I'm using. Now let's move on to the bathroom. Honestly, I never thought I'd enjoy making miniature tiles this much. I'm still using the same wooden craft sticks, cutting them down, painting them by hand in a soft gray, almost concrete-like shade, and trying to make each tile look just a little different. It's not perfectly even, but that's exactly what makes it charming. I lay each stick one by one like I'm building a real pattern. Feels almost meditative, maybe even therapeutic. Because when things feel uncertain on the inside, there's something comforting about creating a little order outside. For the floor, I added a tiny rug. I found it in an old scrap bundle, just trimmed it, glued the edges, added a bit of fringe, and suddenly it's a cozy little mat. Now for the wallpaper. I'm using decorative paper that looks just like real bathroom wallpaper, only scaled down to 1/12. I love the contrast, the coolness of the tile, the warmth of the fabric, the neat little walls with a subtle pattern. And while I work on all of this, I keep thinking, this isn't just a dollhouse anymore. Feels like a metaphor, a way to build something of my own. Small but steady. A place that won't fall apart, even if everything outside feels unstable. Every inch of this house holds love, childhood, memory. And to be honest, I don't even know if I'm decorating or quietly building myself a home, even if it's tiny, even if it's made of sticks. Then I made a bath rug. Next, I started painting the floor tiles again one by one. It's funny how something as simple as coloring little wooden pieces can feel so satisfying. Each tile isn't perfect, and I love that. It reminds me that handmade doesn't have to mean flawless, it just has to mean loved. Then I made a bath rug. But not just any rug, a fluffy one. I cut a piece from an old towel, trimmed the edges, and laid it down in front of the bathtub. Instantly made the room feel warmer, softer, more like someone actually lives here. Even if that someone is only 3 inches tall. After that, I added baseboards, little strips along the bottom of the walls. Such a tiny detail, but it makes a big difference. And honestly, at this point, I'm just obsessed with how cozy this little bathroom is turning out. I stepped back, took a deep breath, and did a slow pan across the whole room. And for a moment, I felt like I wasn't just decorating a dollhouse. I was finishing something. And when life feels uncertain, finishing even one small thing, even a corner of a room, can feel like a quiet kind of victory. Thank you for watching and being here with me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, maybe tell me what part of the house I should do next.